Today, we will show you how to pair your new Edge 550 cycling computer to your compatible smartphone or tablet. For this video, we are using a compatible Apple iPhone, but the process is similar for compatible Apple iPads and for compatible Android smartphones and tablets. First, power on your Edge 550 by pressing the upper left red button. Next, locate and select your desired language by pressing the upper right button. A QR code will appear on your Edge. Scan the QR code with the camera on your smartphone. This will open the Garmin Connect app if you already have it downloaded. The Apple App Store or Google Play Store will open if you do not have it downloaded. Now, select Connected. Ensure the passkey matches on both your Edge 550 and compatible smartphone. Then select Pair on your smartphone. The Garmin Connect app will ask if you would like to receive smart notifications on your Edge 550. The Edge 550 and compatible smartphone will now complete the pairing process. Follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will be different depending on if you have previously connected a compatible Edge cycling computer to your Garmin Connect account. Select Sync Now to complete the pairing process. It may take a few minutes for your Edge to sync with Garmin Connect for the first time. Select Finish. You will also have the option to customize activity profiles if you did not transfer any from a previous Edge cycling computer. This can be done now or later from the device menu. The Garmin Connect app will now give you the option to set up Wi-Fi, courses, Connect IQ Store, safety, and live track on your Edge 550. Garmin recommends setting up Wi-Fi to ensure future syncs happen as fast as possible. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com.